New to yoga and wondering where to start? Or you've been practicing for a while but want to deepen your understanding of the most common yoga positions? Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. One of the most recognizable yoga positions, downward facing dog, is an excellent pose for stretching your hamstrings, calves, and spine. Assume a hands and knees position, then lift your hips and extend your arms and legs to perform the downward facing dog pose. Ensure that you relax your head and neck while taking deep breaths. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Warrior 2 is a standing pose that strengthens your legs, opens your hips, and improves your balance. To practice this pose, start in mountain pose, then step one foot back and turn it out to the side. Bend your front knee and extend your arms out to the sides. Keep your gaze forward and breathe deeply. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Tree pose is a balancing pose that strengthens your legs, improves your concentration, and opens your hips. To practice this pose, start in the mountain pose, then lift one foot and place it on the opposite inner thigh. Bring your hands up to your heart center, and breathe deeply. Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Cobra pose is a back bend that stretches your chest, shoulders, and abdomen. Assume a prone position, with your hands beneath your shoulders, and raise your chest while keeping your hips grounded to perform this pose. Keep your shoulders relaxed and breathe deeply. Child's pose, Balasana. Child's pose is a resting pose that stretches your hips, thighs, and ankles while promoting relaxation. Assume a hands and knees position and gradually move your hips backward to sit on your heels while simultaneously extending your arms forward. Now, rest your forehead on the ground and breathe deeply. These are just a few yoga positions you can practice. Listen to your body and modify or skip poses as needed. Regular practice gives you flexibility, strength, and a deeper connection to your breath and body. In summary, familiarizing yourself with the common yoga postures can be an excellent way to begin your yoga journey or enhance your understanding as a seasoned practitioner. You have a wide range of choices regarding yoga postures, including standing, seated, and balancing positions. Adding these poses to your yoga practice can enhance your physical fitness, flexibility, and overall health. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. To learn more, go to spiritualserenade89.com. Have an amazing day on purpose.